Hey you guys, today I'm doing a review on this brush I got from Dashboard Beauty. This is a size 12 brush, and as you can see right there, I'll have it linked below, but that's all their links. Um, their Facebook, their Instagram, TikTok, website, Pinterest, it's all Dashboard Beauty. But like I said, I'll have it linked below. So this brush is the size 12. It's definitely a longer brush. It has long bristles that I really like, and it makes it so y'all are gonna see later on in this video. It makes it so easy to encapsulate. Like, y'all, I was encapsulating like never before, like seriously. But so like I said, I've been using this brush for a while and I really like it. I feel like it's a size 12, so it's a really good size for pretty much anybody. I feel like you could use this as a beginner, a seasonal tech, it doesn't matter. I think everybody will be able to find something they liked about this brush. So you pretty much just watch me unpackage and kind of fluff. Whenever brushes come new, they have the fluff in it, that little starch or whatever that they put on top to keep it in place. You pretty much just fluff that out and just wipe it down with some monomer to get it all out. um so yeah, like I said, I've been using this brush for a while now and I love it. Like I said, I recommend it for beginners, seasoned techs, whoever. I really like that it has the long bristles, like I said, because it makes it so much easier to get the acrylic down the nail. Like, it just makes it so much easier. I know a lot of people have problems with kind of working that acrylic down, and they want to drag it instead of just patting it down. This brush, I don't know what it is, y'all, but it just makes it so easy to do application. Um, I don't have anything bad to say about it. Shipping was super fast. And this brush, you can find it on Amazon. I have a 10% off coupon for you guys. I'll flash it up on the screen and I'll have it below. Just make sure you use that code and that link. Use the link to my storefront so that you can find this brush on Amazon quickly. And like I said, I'll flash the code up. And yeah, I'm pretty much just showing some real time application using this brush. I know some people told me they like the real time better, so I've been trying to incorporate that more. And as you can see, it's just nails made easy. Like, this is some of the fastest application I've done in a minute. It's not even that it's just so fast. It's like effortless, and it's smooth. It's buttery smooth. So it's like, and also this acrylic I'm using is Valentino. If you know, you know, Valentino is kind of notorious for being a little runny. So the fact that I'm just laying this like butter, it just shows you that this brush is definitely nice. Of course, the user is gonna play a part too, but still though, like, y'all get what I'm saying. This brush is nice. So like I said, you're just gonna see me do some application. I'm gonna leave this in real time, and I'm going to also show you guys um some encapsulation I did, and I'm gonna just show y'all how easy it was to do. Y'all, literally, this clip right here that I'm editing, this little clip is literally like 40 seconds long. It literally took me 40 seconds to lay this bead. That's why I was saying, this is probably some of the fastest application I've ever done. Now, keep in mind, these are shorter nails, but when I say fast, I don't, honestly, I mean more efficient. I don't even mean fast, because it's not even about the speed. It's the fact of how nice my acrylic is laying, how effortlessly this brush is moving it around, and how I'm not having to keep going back and forth. Like, it's just being super efficient right now. And like I said, right here, I'm just showing y'all how easy it was to do this encapsulation. Super, super, super nice application. Super nice foundation rather. Um, so anyway, y'all got the code, y'all got the link, y'all know what to do. Grab y'all one of these brushes if you've been looking for one, or if you just need a new one, or if you just want to add one to your collection. Please look no further. I will see y'all next video.